Welcome guys. Okay, we're back with the e38 today, and we're finally going to address this water filling up in the passenger compartment via the sunroof. So if you've seen the previous videos, you know I got a giant magnet on this thing, and that is to alleviate the water backing up and draining into the car. So I got the headliner replaced recently, and oh boy, why I had the headliner off, because he needed to lift the sunroof up in order to pull the sunroof out, the glass part, and then get the headliner down. And he was like, I can't get the thing, does the sunroof not open? I'm like, yeah, it opens, you have to pull that magnet off first. Well, what's it on for? Was it leaking? I'm like, it doesn't drain. It backs up through the drains and it fills the interior with water. On the passenger side, which is where all that expensive electronic junction box is, under the carpets there. And he's like, well, I'll look into that while it's there. And then, so after he finishes it, I'm like, okay, well, it's gonna be a few days before I can get to it to pick it up. I'm working, not a big deal. Just throw the magnet back on it. Well, do you need the magnet back on? I'm like, look, bro, if it rains, it's gonna soak my interior. Oh, well, I blew air through the hoses, and I could hear air coming through, so I think it's fine. I was like, whatever, dude. And it did rain hardcore for a little bit after that, but the other night when I was at work, and the car was facing on a slight downhill where the front end was slightly lower than the rear end, the same thing happened, and my interior passenger floor got completely soaked with water. So I had to go home and spend like 2 hours with a heat gun drying it out, so I don't have corrosion and rust and everything destroying the electronics. So we're going to adjust that today, and if he claims that there's actually air coming through, then what I suspect is going on is, when the plug comes out here, the hole, the drain, that somewhere from here down this channel, we have, when these people put this new windshield in, they put too much of that adhesive there, and it's blocking it. So it's just backing up into the car and then draining down the A-pillar and soaking the interior. So we're going to pull this thing off, and we're going to see what's going on in here. And if I have to get the angle grinder out or something, we're making a channel. Okay, so normally you can just like kind of pry this thing off, but see, the incompetent hacks did just what I thought they did. There you go, obstruction number 1, 2, 3, 4. I even cracked my windshield trying to get that fucking thing off. Cracked my windshield on the inside trying to get it off too. That's what happens when you have incompetent hacks working on your fucking car. And the other thing is, the number 1 obstruction is, I don't even see where the damn hole is. There's supposed to be a hole in here for that sunroof drain to come through here, and it drains down this channel and out by the fucking headlight. This is why I don't let people work on my cars, because this kind of shit happens when they do it and I'm not watching them. So I'm going to try to cut this stuff out. I have to order a new one of these, because this one's all bent up. That ain't going back in. So I gotta order that. Hope this windshield never cracks anymore. I'm gonna have to get a new one. I hope the next guy doesn't fuck it up as badly as these hacks did. And I gotta cut this crap out. And I gotta find that hole. So I'll be back and I'll let you know where the hole is. Alright, found the hole. Here, I'll get some light on for you. See it? So here's the edge. About 3 inches over, that's the hole, right in there. So, chipped a little more of the windshield there. Not that big of a deal. That crack and this one are the bigger deals. So there you go. I paid however many hundreds of dollars to have someone put the windshield in for them to clog this fucking hole up, plug it up, and cause all that damage to my car. And then all this shit on the way down that I still have to take off. Because all that's going to do is the water will go a little bit further and back up there. A little bit further back up there, so on and so forth. And then on this side, they did the same fucking thing I suspected. You know, what are the odds that they didn't do it on this one? Well, they did. You can see this hole now, but you couldn't. I had to scrape a whole bunch of shit off with my pick to get to here. So I guess this whole thing is coming off. I'm just going to pull this thing off, try not to break the windshield on this side too, because I'm sure they clogged this thing up with a bunch of stuff. So there you have it. That's how you fix your sunroof not draining properly and draining into your interior instead of out the front of the car whenever some incompetent asshats install your windshield. Charge you for it. And then now I have to buy replacement, all that shit I just broke pulling off. And I'm probably going to have to buy a new windshield because I'm sure those cracks are going to spread and it's going to look like shit. So, alright. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to know what tools I use, you use those little plastic pulley things. Just try not to break your windshield. Any slight amount of pressure will crack this thing. So maybe try to pry from this side. Or just yank it up and then break your whole thing off. Whatever you got to do after some incompetent fool does this. So the best thing to do is maybe if you're going to have your windshield replaced, tell those incompetent asshats to not plug up the fucking drain holes for the sunroof and not caulk the whole channel where it's supposed to drain. You know, you would think guys who do this for a living would know what the fuck they're doing. Because I'm not a pro at everything, right? I don't know how to do every job perfectly, but I know how to do my job perfectly. And you would think if you install windshields for a living, you know how to do your fucking job right. Because this can't be the one and only car that has a sunroof with drains that hadn't needed a windshield installed. You mean to tell me that this is the only one of these cars they've ever come across and that they have to, like, not plug up the drain holes? I call bullshit on that. Fucking ridiculous, man. I'm pissed. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Okay, so before I get done rage quitting for the day, we're going to have to order a new part. That one was actually snapped on properly, believe it or not, and they actually didn't caulk this channel up. Which makes me wonder why they did it to the passenger side. I don't know. But this hole is clear. You can't see it. Alright, that hole is clear. Went ahead and made sure I opened up the little flappy deal here. I'm going to assume you guys can see this. And then there is the hole. I did the same thing on the passenger side. But even after I cleared this hole on the passenger side, it was still clogged. And I would pour water in here and open up the float and it still wouldn't drain. But I managed to go ahead and shove a long zip tie and some of this weed eater line, and I managed to successfully fish it through here. So now we're like getting in some nice flossing action, and so it should be 100% draining now. So let's see if I can document this for you guys. We'll see what we got coming out of the hole here. So I got the float propped open, and I don't have the tripod, but I'm going to have to try to pour some water down there using a funnel. Don't mind all the fucking sirens around here. The fellows and their lovely ladies are up to their usual argy-bargy. And I poured a little bit of water, and as you can see, it's going down the channel like it's supposed to. Sorry I can't get the whole action in, but only got two hands. Now maybe I can do this. There you go, see? Coming right out. Problem solved. But at what cost? At what cost? Incompetent assholes. This windshield's $800, by the way, replacement, just so you know. So, alright, don't let assholes do your windshield, and if they fuck it up, that's how you fix it. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.